Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. I am going to show you a project I made using the Let's Get Artsy collection from Graphic 45. I made this because this year we're going to be traveling and seeing lots of museums, a lot of art museums, some natural history museums, just a lot of sightseeing. And so I wanted a place to record them. I've got other ways of recording. For instance, I do have my Crafty Goals calendar book, and I used my traveler's notebook using nature notebook collection since I've hit the road. I live and travel in my RV, and we are starting year 4 of traveling, and this year is the year to do some sightseeing things. So I made this so I can use it to put pictures in. Let me take you inside and show you how useful this will be. First of all, I want to show you the cover. It's got lots of layer, lots of dimension, and of course you can't really see it from the camera, but maybe you can see some of the dimension. This is popped up, that's popped up, these are popped up. It's just a lot of dimension, and it adds a lot of texture to the book. This book measures 8.5 by 8.5 with a 2.5-inch spine. I actually have a tutorial I had made using the Life's a Bowl of Cherries collection. I'll link that in the description box. I just recycled the tutorial and made it work for this collection. Some things have changed, but it just was in the decorating. The pages are all the same. So I take you inside to this gorgeous layout using the different colors. One thing I like doing when I'm picking up Graphic 45's collection is to look at the different papers and see how well they're going to coordinate with each other. I've got these, which were from the ephemera, popped up and on different layers. Now, I will tell you, I only used the 8 by 8 and the 12 by 12 patterns and solids. I didn't have the 12 by 12 collection, so therefore I didn't have the larger size elements, so I had to make it work. And I think that's one of the good things about Graphic 45, whatever collections you've had. And I've done projects just using the patterns and solids because they're so rich, and they're so vibrant, and it's easy to use them. So even if you just were to use that, it would work. Now, I did use the Graphic 45 tags, and I have the die, and it just made this come alive. Even in the 8 by 8 collection, there were strips that I could cut out and use, and it just added, again, some texture to it. I love this flamingo. I loved these little squiggles. I love the bright vibe of the bright magenta with the oranges and yellows. So another tag in that pocket, and then this has popped up as well, and then a saying, every day I discover more and more beautiful things. And I totally agree with that. So on the bottom here, there's a tuck spot, so I can put a picture there. And then these will open up, and I have some photo mats already built in, so I can add them. This is a tuck spot, so I still can get my picture in here. So that'll close, and this will come down. Now, these are side-loading pockets, and I have good size room for photos. I could put a 5 by 7 photo in these pockets, or I could do a couple 4 by 6s or 4 by 4s or what. So now this will open, and instead of adding flowers, I added butterflies coming out of this just because there were butterflies on the top, and I just thought it grew, it just added some movement to this. This will open like that, and as you can see, a couple of 4.25 by 6.25 photo mats, so I can add my 4 by 6 photos without worrying about it. This is just a little flap with a spot to journal on. I've got a couple of tags in this pocket, and I just love the colors of this. And then this opens up. Now, I did fussy cut this from one of the journal cards, and another room to add photo there. And then there is our pull-out tag. or photo mat. I love the frames in the frame package. I left them open at the top so I can add a photo here, but isn't the page gorgeous with the colors and the different um, sizes and styles of the frames? I just thought it looked fun and fabulous. Now I have some more tags in these pockets. And this will open like that to give me room to put a good full-size photo and photos or journaling on there. Those guys go back in there. One of my favorite dies is the Graphic 45 dies to go with the tags. Okay, this is open on the side so I can add a photo there. And then this will open here, another room. So this is how I'll add photos. I'll just take a little tab and put it on um, just a piece of cardstock and add it into the pocket. And then that will open like that. Again, 4 1/4 by 6 1/4 photos. There is our photo mat. This only has 4 signatures, which is amazing. You would think there's a lot more, but we made the most of it. So this will open this. This part came from one of the cut apart pages in the 8x8 collection, and it just added enough detail and texture that it broke up the pattern here. And then those little tickets are open, so you still can put your 4x6 photo right in there. Okay, so she's gorgeous. And she just added the colors to help these pages coordinate. So that'll open like that, and that opens this way. I put a couple more of the pictures there just because I liked it as a tuck spot. But if you were to put a photo there, I think it would look nice. This is a mat that pulls out. And then again, 4x6 photo, or 4 1/4 by 6 1/4 photo mats to put your 4x6 photos there. It's amazing how using a different collection, but yet the same tutorial really shows off the paper. And there we go with the large size photo mat. And then Love the Blues. You could put another photo in here. It's open at the top, but until we do, I just, who doesn't love that picture? And that'll open like that. This has a little pocket at the bottom. So there's a little photo mat there and room to put a photo right there. And I like to put large pockets in the back of my books. To me, that's where you put all the photos that don't go, pamphlets, brochures, tickets, napkins, whatever you want to save to remind you of the beauty of a trip. So that'll go like that. And then not much on the back. I like the back to be fairly flat because it's going to sit down on your coffee table or whatever. So there is my Let's Get Artsy 8.5 by 8.5 mini album using the Graphic 45 paper. Thank you so much for watching and have a fabulous day.